If you want to know how well you have sold certain products, you can do so by filtering all the orders that contain them. This way, you'll have a basis to help you stock the products you're selling the most, and you'll have a better idea of what your customers like when making decisions about selling new products. However, that's really difficult if you try to do it manually in WooCommerce. To help you with this, we'll show you how to search for all your orders by products list, using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. This tool displays all your orders on a spreadsheet, where you can edit any field for hundreds of orders, just as you would do in Excel or Google Sheets. Besides, you can do advanced searches using any field as a search parameter. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first option is to search for all the orders that contain all the products in a list. Just open the search tool. Now enter the list of products here. Remember to select the option that states that all the products must be in the orders that will be filtered. Once you enter the products, click on Run Search to filter your orders, and they will be displayed on the spreadsheet. The second option also includes a list of products. However, in this case, the orders can contain at least one of the products included in the list. Just open the search tool, and enter the products here. Remember to select the option that states that the orders must contain at least one of the selected products. Finally, hit Run Search, and the orders will be displayed on the spreadsheet. After you have filtered the orders that contain one or more of the products you were looking for, you can export the information to a CSV file to create a database. Here, select the columns you want to export. Select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is the CSV file containing our filtered orders in Google Sheets. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.